Also, shape-shifting and other abilities. I recall the story of a shape-shifting relative who was known for changing into a bat, owl, and once into a bushel of bananas to cross the border. There are stories about folks who are able to communicate with environment to tell you if it was a good day to sail for a voyage or to go fishing. If you abuse or misuse the gifts given to you by the ancestors, it will be taken away from you. Also, the belief of protecting oneself, but especially infants, from malevolent intentions, individuals or spirits, by wearing red as a simple string, bracelet on the wrist or the ankle. Also, the belief of making a guardian totem usually contains quicksilver, which is believed to be one of the most powerful natural protecting elements amongst Garifuna traditionalists. Although today, modern religious Garifuna people will say that prayer alone will protect them. I don't question anyone's personal belief. I just believe in the practice and traditions of my ancestors who I know and who know me.